For the record, the husband said no on vlogging with him, so I'm going to do it anyway. Say hello, Doug.
Nope.
So it snowed. We're leaving on vacation. We're heading out to the Dodge.
In 2 weeks.
Oh, in 2 weeks. We got to plan ahead. So we're heading out to the Dodge to make sure the darn thing starts.
Because why?
Because the battery was dead.
Because it's our plow truck.
Because it's the plow truck.
Holy crapinators.
So we're heading out there now. And I would turn the... Douglas, you turkey. So we're heading out to the Dodge, which is
I don't have the key.
there. The key should be in the truck.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. It's our plow truck. The only way that we're getting to the property when it snows, conveniently, it's dark because it's like 4:30. It's not midnight. It's just wintertime. So thought I'd show you some late night stuff that we have to go through as small time farmers. My eyes look crazy. Look at that. I look... Ooh. So hopefully it'll start. So, nope. Dead battery. It's a good thing we checked because tomorrow we have to get a new battery for the Dodge or put it on the tender or it's not going to start.
Quit bragging.
So, anyway, thought I would share with you our late night dilemmas.
It's just you and me right here.
It's us, yes, but we're sharing it with the world because
we don't want to share with the world.
We
is a bad place.
Because we have YouTube subscribers that actually follow the channel.
The world is a bad place.
It's true, folks. It's terrible.
There's stupidity everywhere.
It's very true. And that's what I get for having my husband on the farm blog.
Keep to yourself. Sustainable life.
True.
Avoid the concrete world.
If you can. That's not a lie. If you want more information on staying away from the concrete world, comment below. We'll talk about it. Taking sponsors and donations at the link below. Hope everybody has a great night. And we are going in because it's cold. It was like a teen degree day today. And hope everybody has a great night. Just some of the dilemmas that we have to deal with when it's cold out and the battery on the plow truck dies. Our driveway is like a 1/4 mile long uphill, and we help the neighbor get to his house at night too. So the plow truck is pretty imperative. Day in the life of living in the country, but loving every minute. Have a great night, folks.